how to group tabs. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to group tabs on Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First then go to your Google Chrome and here click on those 3 points up there and click on new tab and now click on the number 5. And this is all your tabs. All you need to do now to group these tabs is click on those 3 points up there and click on group tabs, and here select tabs and click on group, and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.